Hello kids, today we will discuss lesson number 6, the cart driver. This lesson is about the cart driver and two travelers. Now let's see what is there in the lesson. A cart driver is sitting in the middle of the road. He is weeping. Cart driver ejon rastar majot bohi kandi ase. Weeping means kandi thoka. There is a bullock cart next to him. There are many big bundles on it. The cart is stuck in the mud. Cart kon kot lagi dhorile, mudot lagi dhorile. Two travelers are walking towards the cart. At that time, the cart driver was praying to God. "Oh God, please help me." Then the first traveler said, "Is anything wrong?" কি হৈছিলে তেতিয়া এজন কাৰ্ট ড্ৰাইভাৰ ৰাস্তাৰে গৈ থাকোতে কি হৈছিলে তাৰ গৰু গাড়ীখন কি হ'ল বুকাত লাগি ধৰিলে and he was helpless and he was praying to God to help him. হে তেতিয়াই কি হ'ল ৰাস্তাতে দুজন মানুহ গৈ আছিল তাৰে এজনে কাৰ্ট ড্ৰাইভাৰজনক সুধিলে is anything wrong তেতিয়া কাৰ্ট ড্ৰাইভাৰজনে কি ক'লে চাওঁ My cart is stuck. Mu cartkhon lagi dhorile. The back wheels have gone deep into the mud and the bullocks cannot pull the cart out. Goru gari khonor pisphalor soka gita bukat ekdom lagi dhorile aru mur goru gitai tanibo pora nai. Then the second traveler said, "Didn't you try to get the cart out?" Then the cart driver said, "What can I do? The wheels are stuck fast." Stuck fast মানে কি হয় একদম বুকাৰ মাজত একদম ভালকে সোমাই যোৱা লাগি ধৰা okay then the traveler said then let us try together first let us untie your bullocks they must be tired let them rest eat and drink something then what happened the first traveler said bola ami ekeloge try koru Okay, let us untie your bullocks. That means goru gita gari khona pa khuli dia and let them take some rest, eat and drink something because they were tired pulling the cart for such a long period of time. Okay, then what happened? Hearing this, the cart driver was very angry. He said, "Where will I find the water and grass for them?" Cart driver jane ki kole khongote moi etia pani aru khabole kiba kopra ani dim then the second traveler smiled and said don't worry friend the bullocks will find the pool themselves and they can munch the grass on the roadside the second traveler jane ki kole no need to worry about that the bulls will find their own things themselves and they can munch the grass on the roadside munch means what eat noisily. The cart driver unties the bullocks from the cart. The animals wander off in search of food and water. তেতিয়া cart driver জনে কি কৰিলে গৰু গিটা গাড়ী পা খুলি দিলে আৰু হিহতি নিজৰ হেৰিত উলাই গল. The cart driver unties the bullocks from the cart. Now the cart driver, how will I pull the cart out? Who will pull it forward? Then the first traveler said, "We all will." Then the second traveler said, "Yes, let us take off all the bundles from the cart." The second traveler to ki kole, "Bola, ami goru gari khona pa bundles bor nomai pelao." The cart driver was shocked. He said, "Take off all the bundles. Bundles bor ako nomai din." Then the traveler said, "Yes, that will make the cart light. We will put the bundles on the roadside." The second traveler jane ki kole that when you will unload the things from the cart will become light. And light hole ki hobo? It will be easy for the bulls to pull the cart out of the mud. Hearing this, then what happened you see? See the picture how they unloaded the things from the cart and they kept the things on the roadside. Now the word meanings are given there. See, munch means to eat noisily. Wander off, that means to walk slowly here and there. In search of, that means to look for. and forward means in the front. The cart driver, but that is a lot of work. Cart driver jane ki kole ebur kaam dokhon bahut digholiya kaam. Then the first traveler said, we cannot do anything without hard work, so come on. The cart driver and the two travelers removed the bundles one by one. After half an hour, the cart is empty. So hihotok kiman deri lagile cart khon khali korute adha ghonta lagile. Then the first traveler said, look, the bullocks are back. They look fresh, don't they? The traveler jane kole swa tumar goru gitao ghuri ahile. Hihoti etia fresh hoi ahise. Then they said, now let us yoke them to the cart. The cart driver yokes the bullock to the empty cart. Tete ki korile you know? They decided to yoke the bulls to the cart. Yoke means buji paisa nohoy? Goru gita goru gari logot bandhi dile. Okay, see the picture now how they are, tying the bulls to the bullock cart. And what they did? They are trying to push the cart from behind. See, yoke means to tie a special piece of wood around the neck or on the shoulder of two animals. Yes? Now, the cart driver shouted, Bhola and Ranjha, pull well. The man gave a great push and the bullocks pull hard. Soon the wheels are out of the mud. Tetia ki hol? Jetia goru gita gari khonor logot bandhi dile, tetia ki hol? Hihoti jur se tanibo thorile. And what the travelers were doing? They pushed the cart from behind. Hihoti pisphalor pa goru gari khon theli dile. Thelar loge loge ki hol? The cart was light, so the bullocks were running off with the cart. And the cart driver was laughing aloud. Then the traveler said, now let us load your cart again. Now let's see what happened next. The cart driver and the two travelers put the bundles back into the cart one by one. So what happened? When the cart came out from the mud, they loaded the things again. And it took them another half an hour to do all these things. The cart driver was very happy. He thanked the travelers and asked them if he could help them. Then the traveler said, friend, remember one thing. If we work hard and if we work together, we can do a difficult task easily. So, what the traveler said, je eta tan kam jetia ami sobe mili koru, tetia he tan kam to bahut easy hoi jay. Saying this, the lesson is over and all of them they went to their destination happily. So children, this is the lesson that you have to go through and try to read the word meanings and the lesson again and again. Hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you so much.